Just a general talk today on the dollar situation we're seeing in the markets at the moment. We seem to be seeing a general dollar firmish tone coming through, which I'd say has been happening over maybe the last week or so. There are actually three factors I suggest that are impacting on the dollar at the moment. Obviously, the China-US trade talks that are ongoing, which we seem to be going up and down with each day. We've obviously got the European situation as far as Brexit goes, and just I think we're seeing some technical levels being breached for a few currencies at the moment. The dollar itself seems to be benefiting purely on a safe haven basis, as the China talks seem to be okay. Then the dollar seems to be benefiting from that. I'd suggest for the moment we don't get carried away and think that we're looking fine and everything's okay in the garden and we're going to go on and agree everything going forward. I really don't think that's where we are at the moment, but we just seem to be trading each day individually as opposed to taking a view and looking at longer term positioning. For me personally at the moment, I would say the Canadian dollar also is benefiting from a move in oil. I think oil, when we was trading down towards the low 40s, I think I said at the time that it seemed to me to be fair value down there. And I think we'll probably see the Canadian dollar strengthen in line with oil, probably trading towards $60, $65, where I think we're headed at the moment. Also with I don't want to say it, but the Brexit situation that's going on, obviously we're heading towards the witching hour, and I think what we're seeing as well is some dollar buying on the back of just purely euro and sterling selling. They do look to me to be trading lower, even though we have managed to bounce off of the lows. The euro managed to get down towards, I think it was 12.70, and sterling 128, sort of 45-ish. I do think the dollar is probably seeing some kind of benefit from that move. Like I say, we have bounced slightly off of the lows, but I do think it's an ongoing situation, and I think whilst we're heading into the 29th of March, I do see sterling remaining under pressure, which keeps cable on the well, a little heavy, put it that way. And I do think we've seen a 200-day moving average in the weekly euro that we've traded below. We actually closed below, opened the new week below it. And there's a possibility we could maybe see a euro move lower as well. But I think that will be tied in with sterling going lower. I don't think euro sterling moves far from where we are at the moment until after the end of March. But for the moment, I'd say it's a dollar friendly, dollar yen especially, and that's the way I'm looking at playing it for the moment.